Here we go. So the lock at the door. So this is the panel you need to take out to have access to the inside. This is the lock-in, lock-out. So the door doesn't open. You see, you push it down. Now you can't open the door unless you have the key, and the key will turn it up, and this will go up like this. Then you'll be able to open. But when it's locked, you can just pull the lever, this lever, and this thing will go up and obviously opens the door. Now I think this is a child safety thing, which I don't think you can open it. Let's see. Nothing happens. Even when it's, I'm still fixing this thing, doesn't go. So now it go up. Let's see. If it's down and this is open, it will still won't open it. That's awesome. So now this one goes up. Now, let's see. Okay. I'm putting this panel back, and one thing I noticed here, to get the lever up and down the window, you see there's a little groove there. And how to secure this in here, I was wondering. So when you push it down, I thought there was supposed to be a clip here or nothing, or something. So, but there is nothing there. You see the groove? That groove there. So you push the lever enough. So once you push it, then you get this little cover. This little innocent cover. But in the back, you see, when you push it down, this little cut they made there, that's what stopped this from going, because it matches the, here, you see? Ah, that's it. So now it's not gonna come out. Easy. Mechanical, no electronics, and nothing. Also, I forgot, so this little cover, it goes this way. It pointed inward. You gotta point them up inward and put them, offset them like this. You push them, and then you push back, and it clicks in there. So that's the. Obviously, this is the holes for the handle, which I have over here. I don't want to drop the screws. The handle is upside down. That's the next to put it back. Easy, you see.